Hi, I'm Rosina and I am a crochet designer. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to edge your blanket. The Knitcraft Mixtape Medley CAL is an 8-week crochet along to help you explore new stitches, try new colour combinations and have fun along the way. The blanket is great for a beginner who wants to build on their skills or for a more advanced crocheter who loves exploring new stitches and colour combinations. If you enjoyed these videos, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of future videos. With the edging colour, work a row of double crochets. When you get to the end, turn to work down the length of the blanket. In the first treble, work 1 DC. In the second treble crochet row, and all subsequent treble rows, work 2 DC stitches. As a general rule, it looks best to work 3 DCs over 2 rows of half trebles. Work the 3 stitches evenly across the 2 rows. Sometimes this doesn't apply. Here, for example, 2 rows are interrupted by a row of DCs. Think of it more as a guide. This is a row of trebles. Work 2 DC in the end of the row. This red row ends on a double crochet, so just make 1 DC in here. One stitch in the end treble row because you'll be making one on the top 2. Then work along the bottom of the first row. Join with a slip stitch to the first DC made. For round 2, chain 1 and work 2 trebles in the first stitch. Treble along to the next corner. Work 2 trebles, 1 chain, 2 trebles into the corner. Treble along and repeat the corners. Once you've worked all the way around the edge, join using a half treble stitch as described in the written pattern. For the last round, 5 trebles are worked into the 1 chain spaces of each corner. For the last round, 5 trebles are worked into the 1 chain space of each corner. It's a very simple edge, letting the main blanking do all the talking. For more techniques and inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas.